Yo, what's good, boys? Back again with another video. I was gonna start this video after my soccer game like I always do, but I want to make this one where it's not too dark. Damn, I scraped my lip a little bit. But yeah, I wanted to make this one where it's not too dark. So I'm making this before the game. The game starts at 8 and right now it's 7:49. Well, I'm getting there 7:49. But yeah, that guy's been eyeing me out, bro. I don't know, what's his issue? Like, he got a problem with my car or something. But yeah, I'm gonna give you guys a sick little POV. Not sure, bro. I'm gonna see if there's nothing I can talk about because I have a list of video ideas. I'm gonna go and check that, see if there's anything specific I want to do, or I want to just drive around and make a bunch of noise. Hey, how y'all boys been, bro? We've been at, yeah, we got to 8K subs. So channel is growing crazy fast. 10K is the next goal. I don't like to make my car pop beside kids, bro. That's mean, no. That's actually mean because you might scare a kid, you know. But kids and dogs, I try to not make it pop beside, things like that. But people, bro, grown people can deal with it, to be honest. They just hating though, because that guy been staring me down, bro. Like, I pull up to the side of the road just to start the video, and he's just eyeing my car. I'm like, bro, come on, y'all cop or something? But yeah, damn. Yo, this place is always mad busy, bro. I've been to a restaurant here before because I'm like, damn, it's so busy, bro. It gotta be good, but it's not bad. It's just not my type of food. But it's always full, bro. Always. But yo, I almost sold the car today, bro. I was this close to selling it because a guy came and looked at it. He was trying to lowball. He wasn't lowballing too much. He was asking like 2K less, but bro, my price was kind of fixed because I already offered him. Damn, I offered him something lower than I wanted to sell it for. Jeez, bro. That's the restaurant that's always packed, but looks like it's closed now. But yeah, he was trying to ask 2K less, but the price I gave him was already lower than what I wanted, so I did not do it. He said he's gonna hit me back if he gets the cash tonight, but I doubt it. It's been like 2 hours since that. Jeez, bro, nothing from the guy yet. Yo, what kind of car is that down there, bro? That's something special. That ain't no regular car. I'm gonna try to catch up to him. But yeah, and bikers, sometimes I try not to make it pop beside them, but if it does, then it does. But yeah, bro, I almost sold it. I don't know if he's gonna hit me back or not, but whenever I get a sale for it, you guys know the new car's coming. Bro, I want to catch up to that car. It looks like something crazy. And my tune, bro, like, what sucks the most? When I brought the guy on a test drive, I did not let him drive the car because someone said they were interested in the car. I let them drive it and all, and then he was trying to mad lowball me, so he didn't bother buying it. And I'm like, bro, I just made this guy drive my car for nothing. So that's what I started doing, bro. Like, no test drives unless I know what you're actually gonna buy. But yeah, no test drives unless I know they're actually gonna buy. You know, I drive it around with them, but I don't let them drive it because, bro, people be wasting your time because a lot of people do that just so they can drive a BMW, especially because I'm stage 2 plus. A lot of people just want to drive the car just because they've never driven something like it. Not saying my car is the shit or nothing special, but you know, it's above the average car, so a lot of people just want to drive it. I get the feeling because before I had a BMW, I'm gonna be real, I went to a dealership just to test drive a BMW, so I kind of get it. But you know, my car is lowered and it's tuned, and if you don't know what you're doing, you can mess it up, bro. So I don't want anyone just driving my car like that. So that's the new rule, bro. But I don't know, I'll see if the guy hits me back. If not, it's whatever. I think the car went another way, bro. I don't see it. But yeah, that's the new rule, I said, G. And on the test drive though, what I was saying, on the test drive, bro, the car felt so slow. It was popping and everything. I'm like, bro, did the tune disable itself or something? Bro, the car felt slow because I stepped on it a little bit for him. I wasn't stepping on it the whole time because I also wanted him to like feel the car, that it actually drives good and all. But bro, when I did step on it, this shit was slow, bro. Like, I did not know if the tune was like disabled or something, but the pops are still there. And the pops are still there right now. Let me step on it though to see. Let me drop to the second gear. Hold up. Just let the RPMs go down a little bit more. Alright, let's see. Yo, real quick, boys, make sure y'all go check out my merch. It says manifest. The M is a M logo because you guys know I stand by that. Manifesting, bro, I believe if you manifest and put in the work for anything, anything is possible. So make sure y'all go check out the merch. I just keep forgetting to mention it in my videos because I'm not used to having merch. But y'all go check that out. Shoot me a text on Instagram if you get anything. And I always talk about manifesting, bro. And trust me, in the upcoming week, you guys are going to see something crazy on the channel. I'm not going to spoil it yet, but you guys will see it. Huge changes coming, bro. Alright, let's see. Nah, now it feels like what it should feel like. But on the test drive, that shit was mad slow, bro. It felt stuck, I swear to God. And I was telling the guy, I'm like, yo, I gotta check the tune settings because I think it might be turned down or something. I'm like, bro, this shit felt slow. It wasn't sluggish. Maybe to him it feels fast because I'm used to stage 2. Whatever that was, if it was stock or I don't know what it was, bro. But it felt crazy slow. But now it's back to normal. I don't know, that was weird. Or maybe I was just tripping. Damn. Next car is gonna be crazy. I'm quite excited for it. I still don't want to sell this car, but you know, if I get the right price, then for the right price, anything is for sale, to be honest. So we'll see, bro. We'll see. But yeah, boys, this is one of the things I wanted to talk about in a video because I just checked my video ideas. I legit have a thing in my phone, like in my notes, that says video ideas, and I just write down a bunch of ideas in it. But I wanted to talk about just in life in general. It's more about the journey, bro, not the destination. I know it sounds like repetitive, like everyone says it, but it is true, bro. Like, trust me, I know it just sounds basic because everyone says that, but when you actually experience things yourself, and I'm telling you guys from first-hand experience, it is the journey, bro. Even with cars, with anything at all, but I'm going to refer to cars because I'm a car YouTuber, so you guys, that's what you guys want to hear about. But in general, in life, it's the journey, bro. I promise. Because I remember before I got this car, I had a Lexus. First, let me tell you guys a story. I'll make it short though. But my first car, I wanted a BMW. That's been my dream car since I was a kid, and everyone was like, yo, this, that, BMWs are unreliable, it's their first car, get something like a Toyota. I'm like, nah, I'm not buying no Toyota, bro. The worst I'll do is a Lexus. I'm not saying Toyotas are bad, but for me being a car guy, I did not want a Toyota, bro. Like, the only Toyota I would get is a Toyota, the 86 or the Subaru BRZ. They all look the same thing. You guys know what I'm talking, and the Scion. But yeah, so I didn't get that. Everyone talked me out of it, kinda. Got the Lexus, sold the Lexus, not even a year. I did not even have that car for a full year. Then I sold it, and then I bought this car. And I thought, like, in my mind, I'm like, bro, once I get a BMW, I'm gonna be set for life. I'm like, I don't even need nothing else, bro. I'm like, I got a Beamer. It doesn't even matter which one. I just didn't want a 320i. Like, I didn't want the slowest one, but 328 and all of those, I was looking at all of those too, bro. And I was thinking to myself, I'm like, yo, if I get that, bro, I'm gonna be happy. I'm gonna be chilling. You know, like, I want nicer car. I thought that I would want nicer cars in the future, but I'm like, even if I don't, I'm gonna be chilling, bro. This is still a nice car, and it is a nice car, don't get me wrong. But before I had it, that's what I was thinking. I'm like, bro, I'm gonna be set. Life is gonna be good and this and that. Now I have the 335i. I love the car, do not get me wrong. It is my favorite car that I've owned so far. I just got my ball here just rolling around. I don't know, bro. The car feels weird, bro. It feels a little bit slower. I don't know. But yeah, I thought, bro, I would be set. And now I have this car for a year, exactly a year. But now it feels normal, bro. Like, I want something else. And I'm not going to tell you guys which one yet, but I'm pretty sure I know which one I'm going to get. But it's between an M340i and a F82 M4. And like the next car, right now I'm thinking to myself already that, oh, when I get that, I'm going to be good. Even if I don't get another car right away, or like some crazy ass car in the near future, I'm gonna be chilling. Like, I'm gonna want it eventually, like a supercar. But right now I'm thinking, oh, whatever car I get next, I'm gonna be happy with that. I know, I don't know, cops camping up there. But yeah, I know whatever car I get, bro, I'm gonna be in this exact phase again, looking for a newer car and a better car. So the point of the story, when I say it's a journey, not the destination, when I bought this car, I'm like, I can't wait to do the mods. As soon as I got it, I had parts for this car even before I had the car. I bought the M Sport steering wheel because the car was not M Sport. I bought the M Sport steering wheel. I did everything. I bought everything before the car, almost everything. I had the rims before I got the car, I had the steering wheel, I had everything, bro. And I'm like, yeah, I just want to make this build sick. I'm gonna be happy with this car. And I was mad excited. And now that the cops over there, now that the build it's done for the most part. I could do more, but this is all I'm gonna do with it, especially because I'm selling it. And now that it's done, bro, I'm like, damn, there's nothing else to do, and the excitement is gone. You know, I still love the car, I get excited to drive it, but the excitement of owning it and building it and everything, bro, it's gone. You know, like, I was thinking, damn, I can't wait for the build to be done. I'm like, I want to get it lowered, I want spacers, I want to paint my calipers, I want this, I want the car to look, I just wanted it to look perfect, bro. And I was so excited, in such a huge rush just to finish the car. And now that it's done, and there's nothing really to do, bro. Like, there's more, like I said, but I don't think it's worth it because I'm gonna sell it. But it's done for the most part, and now I'm like, damn, like, the excitement is gone. It's still there a little bit to drive the car and look at the car and be like, oh yeah, I own this. But now I look at it too, I don't even think it's that crazy, to be honest. I look at the car, I appreciate everything in life, bro. Don't get me wrong, I'm not trying to sound ungrateful, but you know, it's natural, it's human nature, bro. And now that I'm here with the car, sometimes I look at it and I'm like, damn, it ain't even all that. And before I had it, if I saw this car, because I saw worse cars than this, worse F30s than this, and I'm thinking, bro, that's perfect. And now mine is way better, not to flex or nothing, but mine is way better than a lot of cars I've seen that I used to dream of. And now that I have it, I look at it, bro, and I'm like, damn, it ain't even all that, you know. So the excitement is gone. I was in such a rush to finish the build, in such a rush to do this, to tune it, because it's my first time tuning the car, it's my first time lowering a car, in such a rush, bro. So excited just for the build to be done, and now it's done. And I'm like, bro, damn, I wish I had more to do. You know, like, it's really the journey, bro. And whatever car I get next, right now, I'm already thinking of all the parts. I'm looking at mods and stuff that, okay, I want the car to look like this, and I want to do this. And I'm so excited, bro. If I had the money for all the parts, I feel like I would buy all the parts right now and just sit them down until I get the car, and then I just put it all on at once. That's what I'm feeling right now. But I know if I do that, I'm gonna be like, damn, I'm just gonna get used to it too fast. You know, the excitement's gonna be gone, kinda. Someone trying to cross, yeah. But yeah, that's how it is, bro. Trust me. Like, I'm thinking that right now, that I can't wait for the new build and to finish it. But the exciting part is building it, bro. Going through the process, working on it, you know, doing all of that, all the good stuff, you know, seeing it improve. That's the exciting part. That's the part that people dwell for. But everyone thinks it's the end goal. It's really not. It's really not, bro. I promise. Like, working on this car, doing my downpipe, the first day I did the downpipe, the catless downpipe, I was driving the car. I think I even made a POV that day, and I was like, damn, bro, shit's coming together. Bro, I was at the peak of my excitement. And after all of that, now, and there's nothing major to be done to the car, the excitement is not there anymore. It's not the same, you know. And I'm just thinking, like, damn, I was in such a rush, bro, just for this, you know. And it's the same for the new car. Like I said, I'm in such a rush to get it and to finish the build, but it's the journey that's the good part. It is the journey, bro. And everyone says it, but no one takes it serious until you actually see it for yourself and experience it firsthand. So that's just a little topic I wanted to touch on. If there's any points I'm missing out on, I'll touch back on it if it crosses my mind. But for now, I'll just, you know, do my normal POV things. But the car is feeling slow, bro. I don't know. It was feeling, I don't know, bro. I don't know. I'm gonna step on it a little bit more. I'm just tripping. I'm not sure, bro. But yeah, for now, I'm just gonna roll my window back down, turn the AC off, because that actually takes power, bro. Some people says it doesn't, but I feel like it does. Pops sound perfect though. The pops are not off, but the speed kind of feels off a little bit. It's feeling better than when I gave the guy the test drive, but still not feeling as it should. Whew, that Audi's pretty nice. I think it's like a A7. I don't think it's an S. But if you guys got any questions too, though, bro, just let me know. Let me know. You guys actually like these kind of videos too when you talk about real life stuff. And like I'm talking about, it's not the journey, it's the destination. It's not just about cars, by the way. It's about everything in life. Like everything, bro, that I wanted. I was in such a rush, so excited to get it and all. And yeah, I'm grateful. I don't know, bro. I don't know if it's pulling right. It's running smooth, but it just feels a little bit slower. Unless I'm tripping. I know. But yeah, everything in life, bro, that I wanted and I worked towards, the journey is more exciting, bro. It's like it's the fact that you know what you want and you're so excited to get it and you're working towards it, and then you see it happening. That's the peak. That's where the adrenaline really is, bro. That's where that's the peak of it, bro. So like getting it now, it's cool and all, because yeah, you accomplished your goals and this and that, and it's pretty exciting too, to accomplish certain goals, to own a car like this. It is still exciting, don't get me wrong. It's still fun, it's still cool and all, but the journey is definitely way cooler. But yeah, the journey is definitely way cooler, bro. Not just with cars, like I said, everything in general. It is cool to have it, but the journey was a part that was like, damn. So if y'all are not where you want to be, bro, trust me, just enjoy the journey. Enjoy it while it lasts. And that's also the reason why J. Cole is kind of one of my favorite rappers. I have a bunch of favorite rappers, to be honest, but he's just one of them. But I even got a tattoo that says "Love Yours," because you really got to appreciate what you have, bro. Because like I'm saying, the journey is that's the cool part. And then when you get it, you're gonna be like, damn, this just gets normal, but you gotta love what you have, because then you'll never be happy, bro. And that's something I'm trying to work on in myself. As much as you guys see me here doing all of this, looking all happy and all, I'm grateful, but I don't think I'm happy, bro. I'm still working on it. I'm still trying to find a way to be happy. I know like money definitely helps. I know it helps for sure, but that's not all. Like you gotta find happiness within yourself. That's the main part. Like I don't have all the money in the world, but I do feel like if I had all the money in the world and I'm still in this state, like I'm still this exact person I am right now, just with more money, I still wouldn't be happy, bro. I would be a little bit happier because I'll probably be driving an SVJ or something, but I still would not be perfectly happy, and I would still be trying to figure out how to really find happiness. So money definitely helps, but that's not all, and I'm trying to work on that, bro. Trying to find a way to be happy, because I know I can be more happy than this right now with what I have in life. But I feel like it's definitely something you got to work on. You got to work on yourself, and you got to know how to find happiness within, bro. Let's see if it pops under here. I won't even make it under there. Damn, bro. Yo, but this car definitely makes me happy. That's why I say money helps. Nah, bro, this thing is not pulling as it should. I don't think I'm tripping that bad. It's not pulling as it should, bro. And I'm not getting any like any lights or anything, so I don't know, bro. I'm probably just tripping. Maybe I'll drive it again tomorrow to see. Let's see. Nah, it's 100% not pulling as it should. I'm gonna check out the tune whenever I pull up to the game, but yeah, bro, like even J. Cole, I think one line in his song he was saying something like, I don't remember, bro, but it's basically like I think it's probably not even a song. I think it was like a podcast or something where he's just saying, yo, is it M3? Damn. But yeah, he was just saying to like enjoy the journey and all, because even in one of his songs he said like there's beauty in the struggle, and that's in the Love Yours song, and it's true, bro. Damn, that little Civic is moving. It is true, bro. You gotta embrace it. You gotta find joy in it, because other from that, whenever you complete whatever you're thinking is gonna make you happy, you're gonna see that it really didn't, and you're gonna be like, damn, I could have been happy all this time just if I enjoyed the journey, So you really gotta enjoy that. That's something I think he said on a podcast, something like that. The dark times are still good times. The bright times, the bright days, that's obviously good times, but the dark times are also good times, bro. But people tend to not think that and block that out. Me, myself, I'm still a victim of that. Like I said, I'm still trying to work on myself, bro. Still trying to figure out how to be happy and all, because happiness is key, bro. Like, with all the money and everything, if you're not happy, it's pointless, to be honest. I prefer to be happy and have a decent amount of money than to be filthy rich and not happy. I'm not saying I don't want any money. I think money still does something in my eyes. Maybe my view on that is going to change, or I'm not sure, bro, but I don't know. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. Nah, the car is it's not moving right, bro. It's not even moving when I flirt. I gotta check that out. I'm gonna probably reflash it or something. The pops sound good, so I know the pop settings is still good, but power, I don't know, bro. The power is feeling kind of off. But yo, I'm almost at the game. I'm 3 minutes away. and I'm kind of getting there right on time because I got to warm up and all that. But talk to y'all boys in the next video, another POV or whatever video I make. But thank you for watching. Catch y'all again in the next one.